Alright guys, in this module we are going to change our home page to look way much better and way more professional, and we are going to follow the same steps which we followed earlier, so that our home page looks professional and is also conversion friendly. So let's get started without wasting any time. So in this, the first thing what I would like to do would be either show a banner. A banner should not be too much big, not too much small. So let's keep a banner over here. So, and let's see, we can put a banner over here. Now let's see what banner we can use. So we don't have any banner, but I created some banners which I can use, and yeah, I'll just use one of them. So this is one, and this is the two. So all right, and now, and mind you, we are using a free theme here, so I'm just keeping into consideration the free theme part. So ensure that the banner height is selected to adapt to your first image. Make sure the banner which you create is less in height, like it's more information is provided in less height. All right, so I'm just gonna keep this. You can use a banner or a slider. So actually I'll just use a slider because I'll be using two images over here, so I'll use a slideshow already, and it should be the width of the first image. All right, so I have this I'll use, and I can use the other one, which is this one, and I'll just keep this top. Okay, right, and also we'll have to go, and we don't need the counter, we don't need the number, we just need the dots. Dots look way more professional. All right, so we can also make sure that it auto rotates, and like we can either use a slider or or whatever we want. So I'm just using a slider for now, and I can just position the content would be middle left for this image, and middle right for the other image, this one image. Okay, and now I have positioned my image, and if I want to show show something over here, so I'll just show the container or not, it's up to me. So now this looks professional. So yeah, we have it over here. Now we can just add a few more stuff over here. Also I'll use the color, possibly I'll just use the black color for the solid button, because we are just following the same pattern. All right, so I'll just use the black color for our button. Okay, and the content alignment should be left for this case, and for this also maybe we can just put it left or right, depending upon what we think should be should look nice. All right, then let's see, we can remove the padding and the margin also, which is over here, so that it removes any extra gap. I'll just use 4 padding and 4 padding. Okay, this removes any extra spacing which is there at the top. Okay, now we have a fully functional sliders, and image behavior, we don't need any movement, so I'll just use it for like this only. All right, so we have these slides, we can name something, or we can write something. So maybe for example, we have earrings, and we are going to also sell um, uh, we are also going to sell our bracelets. So um, sure, um, stunning earrings, and we can just write something, and also we'll play around with the font family so that it matches with what we need. All right, so I'll be using a different font for header, and and the font family is completely uh, optional. You can just choose whatever you need as per your requirement, but like I'll just use whatever I feel looks better. All right, so if it is a jewelry website, fonts like this does look better, but yeah, it should be somewhat like this, or maybe I'll just use other font. So I'll just keep it simple. I'll just use this one, the one which is over here. All right, if there is a requirement we can change it later on. Okay, but for easy purpose we can just use this one, and the small font I need this one. All right, I just use, no, it's too small. Let's use this one, not this one as well. But yeah, you should use the font which matches your brand. So first of all you need to do some branding, which you can get it done by uh, a graphic designer, and based upon the branding you can choose the font which is available over here, and ensure that while a person or a graphic designer is branding your website, uh, ask him to use the font which are there in Shopify. Like if you if you use some external font, then you uh, might have certain issues, like the font is not available in Shopify, and you might run into that problem. So okay, I like this, and let me change this as well, because I'll keep it similar to what we have over here. So uh, so let's see, I'll just use Maven, and I'll make it bold. All right, so it is almost similar to what we have, and let's see, black, if it is more bold. Yeah, it is more bold, so I'll just use this one only, because these are the fonts which are being, both the fonts are same. So yeah, I'll just use these, and now I can just write something about like shop now, shop earrings, and put a link to that collection. Now I'll just use this the same collection name, but later on I'll change this to something. I'll just put the products in earrings collection, and also I'll use bracelet. Uh, nice bracelets. It's all right, and yeah, shop. And then finally I'll just select the collection, and once I select the collection it should work as just fine. All right, so we have our home page with the different things available over here. I'll just again reduce the padding which should be coming up over here, and again this padding also should be less. So all right, this padding is less, and again I'll just see if we have padding less over here, and simultaneously check the mobile view. In the mobile view, what I need is somewhat like this. So less spacing is acquired, and we have more information available. So yeah, that's it. And we are creating, like, we are making our homepage look better. For those who want, who would be looking for a single image, they can use simple banner, just like this. And for them, they can just adapt the image, and then middle left in this case, and extreme left, and um, yeah. So I'll just show you both of them. All right, this is good, and the left, this is okay, and I don't need the container on the desktop portion. All right, so this is how it looks, and I don't need two buttons over here. I just need single button, and shop now, and um, let's see, shop earrings, and shop bracelets. All right, let's. So we can use collection over here, and we can simply select the collections, whatever collection. I'll just select the same collection for now, and I don't need the outline. I just need the proper button. All right, and with this I can move this again to the top, and let's see what looks better. I'll just go with this part, because I guess this is looking way much better. And yeah, we can just do the same thing. I don't need the container. We can just simply put everything in one go. All right, and yeah, that's how it is looking, and it's looking better, I guess. And let's go to the desktop version. We have to optimize the whole page to ensure that the mobile view looks way much better. We have to keep our focus into mobile view. Whatever page or whatever block you want to hide, you can simply click on the eye icon, and you can hide that particular block. All right, so that's very easy, and you can still keep it in your backend, but you can simply hide it if you don't want to show it to the customers in the front end. It would never affect the speed of the website, because that would not actually show in the front end, so the speed of the website would not be compromised. So yeah, so then comes the collection. Let's we can call a collection, or possibly we can create collection list. In this collection list, basically we can just call all the collection, and we can uh, define and let's see what we can do over here. We can keep two columns over here, and now let's see, instead of collections, and again less spacing and less spacing, and let's see the design. I'm not too too fond of this particular design, but yeah, if we have it like this, we can use it like this. We can just use a square one if we need. We can use 4 columns, and like 4 collections to show. And let's see, I'll just show one collection, this one, jewelry, and the other one is I'll just use jewelry only. So again, the same jewelry. Again, I'll just do one thing, I'll change I'll add few more collections and ensure that there are more collections. You can add the collection like this, or there is a different way you can show the collection, which I believe is way much better and looks very professional. So you can go with the other design, which is a collage design. So this was one design which I showed you, and the other one is this one. So we don't need this title over here, we just need to show our collections over here. So possibly I can just show the collection. So let's remove this product, we can remove this, and we can just simply show our collection and one more collection, and yeah, that's it. We can show our collection, and let's see, we can keep the heading size small, and mobile layout we can keep it as column, yeah, definitely. And again, you remove the padding, it's extra padding. And let's see, we have this color scheme which we can use, and let's select the collection. We can select the same collection, the first collection, and then the second I'll use snowboard, and the third one I'll use again the same one, jewelry. And yeah, let's see that this is other way to show our collection. And yeah, we can change the position of the collections. All right, so this is another way to show the collections. This way people can see your collections. So these are two different ways. One is this way, and the other one is this way to show your collections. Basically it's good to show the collections because people that helps in easier navigation of your website. So if you show the collections which are available in your website, you can show it like this, or you can show it like that, or there are different ways you can show the collections. So I just showed it like this. So yeah, let's see, I'll just keep the simpler one because yeah, I think so. I'll just use this one actually. Okay, and now if I want to add them with proper collection, what I'll do is I'll create small collections over here, like let's create collections for them. So we go to collection products, and then we can go into collection, and we can create sub collections of this jewelry. So I'll create sub collection of jewelry. So we can use bracelets. Okay, bracelets, and we can use the smart collection. Tag is equal to well, not tag, the title contains bracelets. Okay, and yeah, we have bracelets over here, and let's see if any product is visible. Bracelet, instead of bracelets it should be bracelet, I guess. That's the reason it was not able to show the bracelet. Yeah, we have the bracelets coming up over here, and then we can create another collection called earrings, which would add products basis and earring. All right, and save it, and then let's see, it should be S, I guess, earrings. Let's see, uh, just because earrings, okay, is equal to, okay, maybe I'll just have to go with the type here. Type is equal to earrings, and now we can see that our product should be visible over here. Type is equal to earrings, and I'm not able to see any earrings over here, but yeah, let's go with the other one. And what is the third one? Necklace. Okay, and smart, and then type equal to, let's see, necklace. All right, let's save it. Necklace, it should show all the products of necklace. All right, so now we have our jewelry with the, let's see, replace. I'll go with the bracelets first, and then the second one would be yes, okay, so this one, so it should be bracelets. The second one would be necklace, and the third one would be, let's keep it jewelry for now because we are dealing with jewelry. And let's see, we can also use yeah, so use individual style cards. And now the first image which comes up, okay, let's keep this like this, and maybe like this. Okay, and let's see, we don't have any products of the type earrings, so possibly I'll just assign some earring products, and so that earrings is visible. So I'll just do one thing, necklace, jewelry, and I'll just replace it with the earrings. It doesn't have any product at the moment, but definitely it will have a product. All right, in the bracelet, I'll just manually, we can manually arrange our collections. So by manually arranging the collection, we mean if I want this to be the first product which should show. So for example, if I go to this page, and this is the first collection, or the product which is showing up, we can manually arrange the order by just simply clicking on the manual over here, and then whatever collection we want to show first, we can show it ourselves. Like I just want to make this as the first product. All right, and with that, we have this as the first product. And now if we see this home page, we will have this as our first product. All right, so it is beginning to look cleaner and better, and we are in a good progress to make our products, or this is our collection list. This is our collection list. We can show it like this, and the other way around also. So it's up to us. We can show it anyway, this way also. And let's see, this is bracelet, this is this is necklace, and this is we'll replace it with the uh, earrings, and the fourth one is we can just keep it we can keep it snowball. All right, we can show all the collections. I'll just add a single product in earrings and find earrings. So I'll just find a single product of earring, and I'll just find it from a free website. So Pexels is what I use for free images. So I'll just find they provide license free images, so I can use them. All right, so I just need earrings, and I can find earrings over here. Let's see, earrings. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's do it this way. I'll just earring. All right, yeah, I'll just use this one, or ear rings like this, I guess. It's kind of funny actually, so I guess this is the right word over here. Earrings. Yeah, I found a beautiful earring over here, and I'll just use this one for now. And even this one is beautiful. I'll just use this one also. And again, I'm able to find lots and lots of earrings. Perfect, which I can use, and they are royalty free. All right, so yeah, I'll just add a product, and I'll just duplicate the product which is over here, and I'll just name and I don't need the media, I just need it should be earring 1, and it should be earrings. All right, earrings, and yeah, it might be the case that I might have used the wrong word over here. Earrings, okay, possibly this might be one of the reasons it did not show the earrings. So yeah, that was my fault, so I'm really sorry for that. I've been using earrings wrongly. Okay, and I really apologize for this. Okay, all right, we have this earrings also visible over here. Now we do have a lot of gap over here. I'll just not use this collage for now, because again, if I want to show something better, uh, I'll just use this one. This one looks cleaner. All right, so now we have this earrings and etc, and all the collections are available over here. People can now choose from these collections, out of these collections, and make use of the collections, and they can simply click the collection and get the products, and work on the products. Now let's also see what we can do in terms of the product card. These cards, collection cards, what should be the collection card. We can set the corner radius etc for these, and whatever we want. So I'll just keep it standard for now. So let's see, we can keep the text alignment left or right or center depending upon what we need. Okay, if we want the corner radius to be less, we can play around with the corner radius over here. I'll just keep it what it was originally. Horizontal offset, let's see, we can keep less. Vertical offset less, and we don't need the blur part. Content containers, uh, we can just remove the extra padding which is there over here. So for extra padding, I guess we'll have to see the layout, and let's see, the vertical spacing we have to remove, and the horizontal spacing we can keep it small. Okay, this way we can remove extra spacing over here which is there, and yeah, space between template section we can keep it to again 12 standard. All right, so that's how we can remove extra spacing between all of these sections. And also we can provide if we want to keep a particular animation, we can keep it as such. Now this is a general page. Basically this is a general home page in which we do have our banner, we do have our collection, we do have our featured product. So the collection, let's see the collection. I'll just also ensure that the size is same, because uh, whatever we are using, we should ensure that it is all standard. All right, yeah, so we have this, and yeah, we can save it. We don't want to write the word collection over here because it's obvious that we are talking about the collections. And then uh, we want to actually market our featured collection. In this case is this one, and let's see if we want to add uh, we can show a. Okay, now the next thing is basically we want to show a particular collection which is more in use, and possibly we can name it as new arrivals, something like that. So I'll just use new arrivals, new arrivals, new arrivals, and then we can also let's see, yeah, not full width actually, we just want to be in the container itself, so that if a person is using in a screen, it should be all good. All right, right, so mobile layout, we have two in mobile, that's good. And let's see how it looks on mobile. It looks pretty much decent, but still we can make sure that this looks way much better in mobile by actually playing around with the font size. So the font size is something well, we can play around. uh, okay, so let's see. And we are, yeah, we can keep it central for now. Image ratio we can keep because we have to make sure that it is all good. We can keep it round if we want, depending upon our requirement. Okay, I'll keep it default, or there are different designs provided by Shopify that we can use. This one, we can use this one, we can use this one, and we can use other one, diamond. Yeah, so there are different designs which we can use. I really like this diamond design because it basically suits the uh, Shopify standards, or not the standards, but this particular template. But yeah, uh, I'll just use it's in a simple, like, let's see, parallelogram and then round. uh, yeah. um, and we can use, we can add a, we can give them the option to add this product to the cart. Usually it's very good practice to keep a quick add to cart button besides this these products, because it's very like, there are chances people would go to the product and they would leave other products. So in order for them to buy the products, you should keep them like in the page itself, and they can simply add it to the cart just like this. All right. And so the quick add to cart is a very good option you should keep in order for your customer to navigate and easily add things, whatever they feel that is good, and simply save it. All right. And then let's see, uh, I'll just use the standard card for now. No, I'll just use the card, the back, because I need the background to be available, because that differentiates between the images. And I'll just use this one. Okay. And position on cards, bottom right. Yeah, that's good. uh yeah, I guess this is all good. Yeah, that's all good. And there are other options. If we want to show the product ratings, we can show the product ratings over here, but definitely I'll just also give you the option to add different options that people can simply select from. All right. So this is all good. uh, and yeah, we can save it now. Now all of a sudden you'll see the page is looking way more professional. You'll see once we scroll over here, and this banner is again too much big, I would say. We can keep it more smaller. So possibly there can be chances, like, I'll just use a smaller banner over here, so make it small so that more of the content is visible like this. And on the front view you'll see lot information. And again, um, they need not to scroll in order to see the collections. All right. And they are also able to see the products which are uh, the new arrivals. So more information is there, the more the information is there, the more are the chances of you getting a successful sale. So uh, I'm just using this banner. I'll just, for the look purpose, I'll just keep it the way it was, like this. So it is showing the collection, so people are getting engaged, that there is something below it, and they're actually, they would be looking at it. All right. So now we have our front page with the collections, the products. There are different other stuff which we can add to keep them engaged, like we can show certain testimonials also, or certain about our brand, because like, we can just talk about our brand there. And then we can also add different other steps like email sign up. And yeah, about our brand, we can keep the color scheme to be somewhat different, like this. So it's a different color of it's using a different color, and it's different color scheme. And then so I'll just use I'll not talk about my brand over here. I'll just use subscribe to our emails, and again use the same pattern of what I used over here. All right, and yeah, we can just simply use this one and simply remove extra padding over here. Okay, uh, I'll just keep a little bit padding because too much, like uh, it's giving too much space. But for mobile, we are definitely going to remove lots of padding over here. All right, that is how it looks now. Now we can add different more options like testimonials or video or FAQs depending upon our requirement. Just to give you an example, I did create a theme which is supernova. You can see the supernova theme, which does have this layout, a wonderful layout. And again, this is from a dawn theme. So you see how it's looking professional, and it's giving a professional touch. And then we can have the collections over here. We can have the FAQ like this. So we can simply use the FAQ. And for those of you who want this particular theme, I I would be, I have given the link in the description below. You can simply download it from there. It's completely free of cost, no hidden charges, and I usually update this theme every single month. So you'll have different more sections. You'll also see a lot more sections coming up over here, like these ones, which are provided with this particular theme. And again, they are completely free of cost and they are free to use, and no copyright issues would be there, or any licensing issues would be there, because this theme is created out of the dawn theme, and it's completely you can use it completely for free. And again, I'll just show you the collection page, how it looks. And let's see, if I add to cart, you see this, I'm just working on this part, but yeah, I'll make it look way much better. Okay, but yeah, you'll have a lot more options with this particular theme, and it's completely mobile friendly. And yeah, it's completely mobile friendly, and you'll be able to use it completely free of cost. I'll make it mobile friendly only, all right, so that you are able to use it. So you can simply download it from the description below. And yeah, by the time I upload this video, I'll be updating this theme a lot and making it more and more professional and user friendly. So you can just check my description below. All right, so yeah, that is it for today's video. I guess I think so I covered a lot more over here of what we can have on the home page, and what all are the requirements for the home page. Now in the next upcoming tutorials, I'll cover the collection page and the product page. Although it is this home page is not finalized yet, but we'll be finalizing it in the end, but we'll be making it looking more professional, just like the way it is over here, so that you are able to get more and more out of the free theme, or if you download this theme, you'll get more out of this theme. All right, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.